Here is a detailed process to apply for admission at the College of Southern Nevada. We need an online application. So we're going to complete the online application specifically designed for international students. And then we're going to upload all the required documents as part of this process. There is an application fee. We have to submit a non-refundable application fee of $45 US. This breaks down into $25 US due at the time of application, and then an additional $20 due upon enrollment for classes. We're going to waiver the TOEFL and SAT, so don't worry about that. We need educational documents. We'll need to submit your official high school or university diplomas and or transcripts. And then we have to have proof of financial support. Now, the college requires you to provide an official bank letter or a bank statement, which is dated within 120 days of your application. The statement should show sufficient funds available to cover your expenses for 1 year. For 1 year. We should bear in mind that fees are subject to change without notice. Now, we are going to be F1 students, that is international students, which is a non-resident status. International students entering the US on student visas are considered non-residents for tuition purposes. Unfortunately, the college cannot offer federal financial aid to international students. Finally, we'll need to provide a copy of your passport's picture page. Remember, we are here to guide you through each step of this process, so please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or concerns.